Hi, I'm Elise, and I'm in the 5th grade, and this is my first year in Science Olympiad. I was interested in science, and that's what got me thinking about joining the Science Olympiad. My two events are naked egg drop and reflection relay. In reflection relay, we learned about protractors, and we learned about the angles of incidence and reflection. In the naked egg drop, they surprise us with materials, and we have to build a contraption and drop the egg from different heights. When I first started the naked egg drop, my contraptions that I did were huge. Now they're tinier because I found out that it matters on the height and the width of the contraption because that's what they use as a tiebreaker. There's a total of 16 different events. Some of my friends that are also on the team are in anatomy, bugs, and rocks. Since I like Science Olympiad this year, I can't wait to try out in middle school.
My name is Andy, and I have been doing Science Olympiad for 5 years. My events are battery buggy, pentathlon, fossils, and dynamic planet. Science Olympiad helped me experience more hands-on activities, and I got to learn some things that I couldn't learn in the classroom. The battery buggy event is you have to get to a certain point on the floor in a certain amount of time, and they judge you based on how quickly you get there and your distance from the point. We spent 2 hours a week for 6 weeks. I think I'm going to do the same event next year. I've already got some new ideas how to make a better car.
I'm Nick, and I've been doing Science Olympiad for about 4 years in high school and 2 years in middle school. This year for Dakota, I did many events. It's about time, anatomy and physiology, experimental design, but I have to say my favorite one is the mousetrap vehicle. The concept of mousetrap vehicle is you have to build a car that only powered by mousetraps, and the objective is you start at a starting point, you go a distance of 7 meters, stop between 7 and 8 meters, and reverse your trip and stop back at the starting point where you launch the car. Now the whole idea and concept behind this thing is just the engineering, the way you got to build this car. You really have to think outside the box.
I'm Dean. This is my first year in Science Olympiad. I'm a freshman. We utilize the power of both mousetraps. Most teams didn't realize this until further on, but we thought ahead, and it was one of the best decisions we ever could have made. Wrapping it around the axle and then figure eighting it allows us to travel in both directions without changing mousetraps. I had a lot of fun this year with this event. I'm definitely going to do this event next year.